Hello and welcome back to Life BLOWUP Prevention Project. My name is Ania Grimone and I am your host. And if you're just joining us, I want to remind you that what we do here is we practice small little incremental steps that can be done with very little time, very little money, and very little effort to prevent blowouts from happening further down the line. Whether it's a breakdown in health and relationships or elevated level of stress, we want to prevent and eliminate all of those things. So today what we're going to do is, in the spirit of continuing our conversation about New Year, out with the old, in with the new, we're going to be eliminating junk. And why do people have junk? They have junk because they accumulate stuff and never have time to get rid of it. Or we accumulate junk because we had those things and they are somehow wrapped in with memories. So we hope like, oh, I'm going to squeeze myself in this old pair of jeans, or, oh, I was wearing this when I met my first boyfriend. And all of a sudden, before we know it, our space is overtaken by the past. And when we do that, we literally have no space, physically, emotionally, energetically, to bring anything new. And often we have these amazing intentions of creating something new in our lives, but we come home and we feel, I just don't have the energy. So my invitation for you is clear space. So this is what we're going to be doing for the next 30 days. Every day, pick one thing only. I mean, if you want to do 2 or 3 or 5, fine, but at least one thing. Scan your space and look for things that don't belong there, that you don't need, that no longer represent who you are, and either throw them away or give them away with love and gratitude because they served you there, but they no longer represent who you are and who you're becoming. So clear space. At the end of 30 days, look at what happened to your space. If you love what happened, continue the practice. There's something amazingly powerful about creating a flow and creating space for something new to constantly enter your life by not holding on to the past. So let me know the impact of that. Enjoy the practice and tune in for the next episode of Life BLOWUP Prevention Project. My name is Ania Grimone. Enjoy.